Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your compass and Uconnect support Apple CarPlay. This matters because incompatible systems won't connect. Plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into your iPhone and the Jeep USB port labeled with a phone or CarPlay icon. If your compass supports wireless CarPlay, put the car in Bluetooth pairing mode instead. On the iPhone, enable Siri, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, then unlock the phone and accept any trust prompts. Once done, you're ready to initiate pairing from the vehicle screen. Now you move into pairing. On the Uconnect touchscreen, choose Settings, then Phone or Connections, and select Add Device or CarPlay. If wired, the system usually detects the iPhone automatically. If wireless, choose Bluetooth pairing and match the PIN shown on both screens. Make sure you accept permissions on the iPhone, contacts, messages, and notifications, so apps can display. Once the head unit shows Apple CarPlay or the CarPlay icon, tap to activate. This links apps and audio to the Jeep's display and controls. You finish by testing core apps. Launch maps, music, or messages through the CarPlay interface using the touchscreen or steering wheel controls to confirm audio, navigation prompts, and voice commands work. If CarPlay fails to appear after pairing, unplug and try a different Apple-certified Lightning cable. Restart your iPhone and the Uconnect system and reattempt connection. Make sure your iPhone's iOS and the Jeep's Uconnect firmware are up to date. Updating resolves most persistent issues, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.